Former Telangana Chief Minister KCR was questioned by the probe panel today that's investigating alleged irregularities in the conception and implementation of Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project, which is considered to be the brainchild of KCR and the crown jewel of the BRS government that was in power till 2023. Listen in.
Mr. KCR arrived at the BRK Bhavan to face the PC Ghosh Commission of Inquiry. I have with me Mr. K.T. Ramarao, working president of the party. Your leader has been called in by the commission. They're also talking about a vigilance and enforcement, which is recommended prosecution proceedings, and there is a National Dam Safety Authority as well, which is pointing to certain problems with the Kaleshwaram project.
Well, the National Dam Safety Authority seems missing in action when Morbi Bridge collapses in Gujarat. The National Dam Safety Authority is completely missing in action when Polavaram project, which is being built by the Central Water Commission, had a diaphragm wall collapse, has had the copper dam collapse. More than 2,500 crores of public exchequer money was gone. When Srisailam left bank tunnel collapsed here in Telangana 100 days ago and 8 people died, National Dam Safety Authority is missing. But apparently BJP and Congress, when it suits them, because in Bihar when bridges keep falling every week, no authority comes forward, no inquiry happens. Only in Telangana, where not a single person died, let me remind you, and not a barrage getting washed away or a bridge getting washed away, but 2 pillars out of 300 have developed cracks. And now that apparently is the largest issue on the planet, and therefore commissions have been ordered. We have no worry, we have no concern whatsoever with respect to what kind of questioning there would be, because the fact is, Uma, in 2014 Telangana was ranked 14 in paddy production in the country. In 2023 Telangana is number 1, surpassing Punjab and Haryana. That is the magic of Kaleshwaram. No matter what Congress says, no matter what BJP says, no matter what anyone says, fact is Telangana is a reality because of KCR.